Title: Introduction to Artificial Intelligence, Unleashing the Power of Intelligent Machines. Welcome back to our AI Explorers series. In today's episode, we're diving into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence. From autonomous cars to smart assistants, AI is transforming our lives in ways we couldn't have imagined. So, buckle up and get ready for an exciting journey into the realm of intelligent machines. Let's get started with our introduction to artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, or AI, refers to the development of intelligent systems that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. These systems learn from data, adapt to new situations, and make decisions with minimal human intervention. AI has become a driving force behind technological advancements across various industries. Visuals transition. Highlights of AI applications. The applications of AI are vast and impactful. In healthcare, AI assists doctors in diagnosing diseases and develops personalized treatment plans. In transportation, self-driving cars are making roads safer and more efficient. And in finance, AI algorithms analyze vast amounts of data to make accurate predictions for investment decisions. Visuals transition. Types of AI. Now, let's explore the different types of AI. AI can be categorized into three main types: narrow AI, general AI, and superintelligent AI. 1. Narrow AI, also known as weak AI, focuses on specific tasks and is designed to excel in one area. Think of voice assistants like Siri or Alexa, which can understand and respond to voice commands. 2. General AI, also known as strong AI, possesses the ability to understand, learn, and apply knowledge across various domains. It can perform tasks that humans do and even exhibit human-like intelligence. 3. Superintelligent AI refers to an AI system that surpasses human intelligence in virtually every aspect. This type of AI remains hypothetical and is the subject of ongoing research and debate. Visuals transition. AI algorithms and machine learning. At the core of AI lies machine learning, a subset of AI that focuses on training machines to learn from data and improve performance over time. Machine learning algorithms enable computers to recognize patterns, make predictions, and perform complex tasks. Visuals transition. Deep learning and neural net. Deep learning is a powerful technique within machine learning. It involves training deep neural networks, inspired by the human brain structure, to process and analyze vast amounts of data. Deep learning has revolutionized fields such as image recognition, natural language processing, and speech synthesis. Visuals transition. Benefits and concerns. AI brings numerous benefits to society, including increased efficiency, improved decision-making, and the ability to tackle complex problems. However, it also raises concerns about privacy, job displacement, and ethical considerations. It's essential to address these concerns and ensure responsible AI development and deployment. Visuals transition. Future of AI. So, what does the future hold for AI? The possibilities are endless. From advancements in robotics to breakthroughs in healthcare, AI will continue to reshape our world. It's a field ripe with opportunities for innovation and exploration. Closing animation sequence. That wraps up our introduction to artificial intelligence. We've only scratched the surface of this vast field, but hopefully, this video has given you a solid foundation to build upon. Join us in our next episode as we delve deeper into exciting AI applications. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on our AI Explorers journey. Thanks for watching, and remember, the future is AI.